Welcome, welcome. I believe we are live everywhere. Go ahead and say what's up in the chat if you can see me. Anybody? I know it's a late night stream tonight, guys. I apologize for that. We had a power outage here in Los Angeles this evening, and everything has been a bit challenging as a result. So I apologize for not going on sooner. But I am here now, so here to go over the markets and here to talk about some current events in the crypto space and all that kind of good stuff. So thanks for joining me. Assuming everyone is here. Hold on, just gonna check my outputs real quick. Looks like we're live. All right, great. Welcome, welcome, Johnny B. All right, all right, all right. No, not still at the airport. Not still at the airport. I am actually in Los Angeles. We've had the power out for the last several hours. The gents, Sam and Snay, are actually out for working on the ICO stuff, so they will be away for a while. I believe they're back on Thursday, so you've got this face in the meantime. Traffic noise. Got it. 1 second, and I will handle that. Yeah, what that is there is a very serious computer over here that's got like a diesel motor in it, basically. So the fan is significantly noisy, and I can turn that down if you'll bear with me just a moment here. All right. Well, that should die down in a few minutes here, and thanks for joining me tonight, guys. I'll try to keep this screen a little less crazy. All right, well, sorry for the super fuddy title tonight, but you know, I've had a lot of people lately asking me, is crypto over? Is it too late? Isn't everything crashing? And you do see a lot of bad news in the mainstream media. You know, the market has been down significantly since the beginning of the year. But there has been some good things coming out, I think, that some good signs that hopefully will signal a turnaround, and maybe we'll start to look a little more bullish come the summertime. Snay is in Sacramento. Hey, hey, thanks. Glad to see me up and running too. It's been a challenge this afternoon. So anyway, yeah, just want to bring up a couple of things real quick as far as signs that point to crypto not being over. You know, we've had a major problem, I think, with advertising it. You know, everybody knows that ICOs, many are great, some are scams, and there's been a lot of pressure from the SEC and from the United States government to crack down on regulation for that here. And the good news is, it looks like other countries rather are starting to. Yeah, no problem on it. I will definitely talk about ONT. But anyway, so just talking, European countries are actually trying to change regulation. We had great news coming out of Paris at the G20. And then another thing I just read today, this particular part I thought was entertaining. The European Commission is launching 300 million euro project support for various blockchain use cases. So that was just a little tidbit I read that I thought was pretty interesting, but definitely a good sign when you see the entire European consortium trying to push blockchain forward and not trying to regulate it out of existence. So that makes me feel pretty good about things. Yeah, if you guys, I know this is a TA channel, so why don't we just straight up jump into it. Everybody wants to know about ONT, so let me go ahead and pull that up. We'll check it on Binance. Yeah, in short, the answer to your question is not a good time to get in. I wouldn't. I mean, you know, my honest opinion is I never try to get in and chase parabolic runs. I never try to get in. So I would wait for a little bit of consolidation. I definitely have had my eye on some ontology. I did miss the bus on it. But there are some good signs here actually right now if we're looking at it. You know, RSI was way run up. We showed the bearish cross. We've got a bullish cross here. RSI's a little more in the center. I don't know. Looks like it's consolidating a bit. I would wait to see maybe one or two more green candles. Maybe wait for it to come down just a little bit here to like 64K 7 sats, something like that. But yeah, I mean, you know, that's a significant run up over several days. And if you were asking me earlier, oh geez, I'm looking at a 30-minute candle here. Let's go back and look at that on a much wider. Yeah, there we go. This was the point I was trying to make. That is parabolic, folks, and that is quite a bit of good volume, but that RSI and stochastic RSI super run up, and it looks like that histogram might be starting to curl down a little bit there as well. So you know, like I said, I never chase a run. I never try to go after something when it goes parabolic. So I would say maybe wait for it to consolidate a little bit, see what happens over the next couple of days. Depends on your trading style. What are you looking to do, and also, do you believe in the project long term? So, but yeah, again, my always opinion is never chase a run. Let's see what else. Yeah, diesel computer. Yes, I just call it that because it's insanely large and loud. So let's see, EOS. I like EOS as a project. I think maybe it was a good move for them to part ways with Brock Pierce, not just because of whatever reputation he may have